In this video, we're fixing a jammed garbage disposal. There are 4 ways to fix a disposal that isn't spinning and instead makes only a humming or a buzzing noise when it is turned on. A variety of basic tools and home goods can be used for each method as well. Method 1. Check for clogs. If your garbage disposal has a removable splash guard, take it out for better visibility. With the disposal off and unplugged, use a flashlight in a gloved hand to check inside for any foreign objects, such as broken dish or glass pieces. And if you come across anything that's difficult to remove by hand, try using tongs, needle nose pliers, or a wet-dry vacuum if you have one. After removing any objects, plug the garbage disposal back in and test to see if it works. Method 2. Reset button. Most disposals have a reset button that can pop out if the disposal overheats, gets overloaded, or has an electrical problem. With the disposal plugged back in and turned off, press the red reset button that's on either the side or the bottom of your disposal once. If that doesn't fix it, we can try clearing a possible jam manually in 2 different ways depending on your disposal. The spinning parts of a disposal can be manually turned from either underneath or above the unit. Method 3. Manually turn from underneath. Unplug the disposal again. If your disposal has a hex key slot at the bottom, you can use a 1/4 inch hex key wrench, which may have come with your disposal, to move the motor back and forth a few times. If it's difficult to turn, you can use a drill with a 1/4 inch Allen bit or the driver end of a drill bit, since most have a 1/4 inch hexagonal base. Some alternatives are a 1/4 inch hex bit socket with a socket wrench, a 1/4 inch Allen key. If it's hard to turn, use it with the round end of a 1/4 inch wrench for more leverage, or use a pair of pliers or an adjustable wrench to hold on to the bit. This is actually the method that unjammed our garbage disposal. Method 4. Manually turn from above. Make sure the disposal is off and unplugged. If the garbage disposal doesn't have a key slot underneath, an unjamming wrench can be used to manually turn both the flywheel and the metal blades, called impellers. Alternatively, you could try using a wood or plastic utensil handle, broom handle, rake handle, toilet plunger handle, or the handle of a hammer to push against the metal impellers to manually turn both the flywheel and impellers. If you've tried the previous unjamming methods without success, there may be something stuck inside that still needs to be removed. Using a brighter flashlight or removing the disposal might make it easier to spot small objects like a screw or fish tank pebble that's trapped inside the shredder's metal ring and the flywheel. Hopefully one of these unjamming methods worked for you. If they did, or if you have any helpful tips, please share them in the comments. Links to both wrenches shown in methods 3 and 4 are in the video description below.